What if the most powerful health tracker you ever owned didn't even look like tech? The Samsung Galaxy Ring is changing the game by packing advanced fitness and sleep tracking into something as simple as a ring. No screens, no distractions, just pure data working quietly in the background. It tracks your sleep, monitors your heart rate, and helps you understand your body like never before. If you're tired of bulky smartwatches and want something smarter, smaller, and more personal, this tiny device might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Samsung Galaxy Ring represents a bold step forward in wearable technology, bringing powerful health tracking into a compact and minimalist design. Unlike traditional smartwatches, this sleek ring is built for users who want continuous health insights without the bulk on their wrist. It's lightweight, discreet, and designed to be worn all day and even while sleeping without discomfort. At its core, the Galaxy Ring focuses on advanced health and wellness tracking. It monitors key metrics like heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and recovery, giving users a complete picture of their daily performance. One of its standout features is its sleep analysis, offering detailed insights into sleep stages and overall sleep quality, helping users make smarter lifestyle decisions. Powered by Samsung's ecosystem, the ring seamlessly syncs with compatible Galaxy devices, making it easy to view data through intuitive apps. The integration allows users to track long-term trends, set goals, and receive personalized recommendations based on their habits. Its battery efficiency is another strong advantage, lasting several days on a single charge, something many larger wearables struggle with. Durability is also a key highlight. The Galaxy Ring is designed to be water-resistant and tough enough for everyday use, whether you're working out, traveling, or going about your routine. Its clean, modern design ensures it looks more like a premium accessory than a piece of tech. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is perfect for those who value simplicity, comfort, and powerful health tracking in one small device. It's not just a gadget, it's a smarter, more subtle way to stay connected to your health. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is a compact and innovative wearable designed to deliver powerful health tracking in a minimalist form. Unlike bulky smartwatches, it offers a lightweight and discreet experience, making it comfortable for all-day and overnight use. The ring tracks essential health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and recovery, helping users better understand their overall wellness. One of its standout features is detailed sleep analysis, providing insights into sleep stages and quality for improved lifestyle decisions. Seamlessly integrated with Samsung's ecosystem, it syncs with Galaxy devices to display data through easy-to-use apps, allowing users to track progress, set goals, and receive personalized recommendations. With long battery life and durable, water-resistant design, the Galaxy Ring is built for everyday use. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a simple, stylish, and effective way to monitor their health.